Harris, and I'm the owner and operator of Timberlake Marketing. I wanted to take just a few minutes today to show you kind of what we see when we pull up your business on Google and what you could be doing to increase your online presence, gain more clients, and look more professional overall compared to your competition in the area. First, when I look up your actual business name, I do see that you have a Google My Business profile with 5 stars and 95 reviews. This is very good. It's going to make you a lot more trustworthy in the eyes of a potential customer. However, when I look up tattoo shops in Scottsboro, I'm not seeing you as one of the top 3 in this area. This is going to be one of the first things people see. This is what we call the map section. In this map section, it's important that you're here. However, I do know that you are ranked number 4. But people are going to be seeing these ones with websites first. They're going to think that if they have a website, they're the most reliable. And what I can tell you is none of these in your area have websites, which is beneficial to you. It means if you had a website, it would set you apart. It would allow people to see who your artists are, what they specialize in. If you're the only artist in your shop, then it's going to show them what you specialize in. It's going to show them how far in advance they can book with you. It's going to give them valuable information they might need to know before they show up. You can give them aftercare information. A lot of things that would help set you apart and make you look more professional compared to these competitors. The next section customers look in is what we call the organic section. So this organic section, obviously none of them have websites. This is a generic Google website that doesn't have hardly any information on it at all. It's just basic contact information. So with that being said, we would take these top competitors, whatever is showing up as number 1 and number 2, we would put these into a tool we call Ahrefs, and we would see how powerful, how trustworthy, how many backlinks, domains, and keywords they have. This organic traffic is how much traffic they get per month. So now, what we do is we find whatever keywords that your competitors have, and the content of your website will be built around this. So first, Tattoo Shops in Scottsboro gets 40 searches every month, and 5 Points Facebook page is ranked number 1. If you search Tattoo Shops in Scottsboro, 40 searches per month, they're ranked number 78. So this is not going to be as hard as you think to beat out. Now if we go to Mad Tatters, we can see that they have more backlinks and more domains. We can look at their keywords. So they are also ranking number 1 for Tattoo Shops in Scottsboro. They are ranking number 2 for Tattoo Shops in Scottsboro. We can go through and take a lot of these keywords that they're ranking for, build your content of your website around that. It'll bump you up to the first position on that first page. And this does take a little bit of time. This is what we call search engine optimization. And like I said, this is one of our services that can be tailored to the needs of each client we have. So we basically take these keywords, build your content around it. That way your website will rank. We do both on-page and off-page optimization to help with that. The other service that we like to offer is Google My Business optimization, meaning we take your Google business profile, we optimize all the images, add images, do whatever we can to beat out your competition. Now, there are some other things we can do, such as citations. We go and get your competitors' citations and submit your business profile to those. It gives you reputable citations and backlinks. This is another form of off-page search engine optimization. But ultimately, anything you do to create a website is going to help distinguish you from those in your area. There's not a lot in your area, so building a website is going to give you that little edge to push you over and help you get more customers, filter them out, let them know more about who you are and who your company is, and who are the artists that work for you. So Ultimately, I think it's super beneficial that you have a website, and like I said, we can tailor the website and any of our services to what your specific needs are. If you have any questions or interested in any of the services we offer, please don't hesitate to reach out, and ultimately, I hope you just walk away with some valuable knowledge that'll help you with your business, whether you choose to use our services or not. Thank you so much for your time. I appreciate it, and wish you well.